Welcome to Snowball. Read this example. This example is from sample paper of screening test. This is a sitting arrangement analytical reasoning. The first information is SNZ or in the center.
Order isn't mentioned.
In information is that A and P are at the ends. Again, we don't know which one is at the first or which one is at the end. And last information is R is to the left of A, and this information gave us a clue. To fulfill this condition, A must be on first. So P is at the end. Question is, who is to the right of P? The only option left is X. Pause the video and read this question. Family members and their professions are given. First information is that there are two married couples. Second information is, the manager is the grandfather of U, who is an engineer. Third information is, R, salesman is married to a lady teacher. A couple identified. This couple must fit in here. Between grandfather and grandchildren. Fourth information is, Q is the mother of U and T. And the final information is the Dr. S is married to the manager. Manager is a grandfather, so doctor is a grandmother. First question is, how many male members are there in the family? We don't know the gender of T and U, so the data is inadequate. Next question is, what is the profession of P? Let's see who is P. We don't know the tags of teacher and manager. P must be manager. If you give P tag to teacher, you are left with no tags for a grandfather. Next question is, who are the two married couples in the family? And now we know it. R and Q, P and S. Question is, how P is related to T. And it is visible. He's a grandfather. T and U are siblings.